Peace family, welcome to Traders Dynasty. If you are new to this channel, please check out our previous videos because we continue from where we left off. So in trading we have sessions. So there are four major trading sessions. We have Sydney session, Tokyo, London and New York. But for this video we'll talk about London and New York because these are what I can relate to. I know them, I trade them. So the other ones I won't talk about them because I don't know how do they operate, because I can't talk about something that I don't know how it works. So three most traded sessions are Tokyo, London, in New York. So as I said, I trade London and New York because I know how do they work and how do they operate. So London session, this session begins when the Tokyo session closes, and some of the most pairs that have volume during this session are GBP JPY, Euro USD, GBP USD, Euro JPY, AUD JPY, USD JPY, USD CAD. So you don't have to trade all of these pairs. You can just like trade some of them, because I trade GBP JPY, Euro USD, Euro JPY, Euro USD JPY. A lot of forex transaction occur during this session. This session is normally the most volatile. Most trends begins during this session and they can continue until the beginning of a new session. So let's say where a pair comes to a support and then bounce continues to sell. It can continue to sell throughout. It can continues to buy throughout the entire session until the beginning of another session. So volatility tends to die down in the middle of the session. So volatility can die down when towards the middle or towards the end of the London session. Trends can sometimes reverse at the end of the London session. So we can buy during the London session, but towards the end of the London session, we can start to have a little bit of selling or a mini resistance towards that certain pair. New York session. So this session begins the end of London session or overlaps towards the end of London session. So when London session comes to an end, New York begins, or sometimes they overlap. Some of the pairs that have volume during this session are Euro USD, GBP JPY, AUD JPY, Euro JPY, GBP USD indices such as Nasdaq, German DT, US 500, some of the others. But they also move during London session, and they also have movement during New York session. There is high liquidity during the session as it overlaps with London session. Economic events or economic reports that causes a lot of volatility in the market are released during this session. So economic reports such as CPI, NFP, those reports, they are released during released during New York session, and they can have a high impact. So there is a very little movement during Friday afternoon. So as we all know that Friday afternoon we all want to go and relax and not focus on work or trading. We just have to enjoy our weekend. So that's it for this video. If you're new to this channel, subscribe so that we can continue on this journey. Tap in.